Wait. Hello guys, welcome to Slow Custom channel. On this video I will show you how I install winch for this RC like this. Okay, just check it out the video. Come on Spidey, go up. So this is the winch with a mini motor. As you can see, this is have a metal mount, also the metal wire, and this is the motor. As you can see, it have a GST connector wire, and this is the switch button for on or off, for pull a wire or push the wire. Okay, let's connect the cable. So this one connector is for winch and this one for the battery. This female connector is for the winch, of course, and this connector I think is wrong because it's male GST, and from the battery I have a male GST connector. It's same as connector from the switch. I need to cut this wire to change into female GST like this. It's strong enough. Okay. On the shop description, this motor can use 6 volt into 11 volt batteries. Last I used to sell a repo with 7.4 volt. Now I will create a hole for this winch mount on this spot here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And my stock board is not long enough for this bumper. Maybe later I will buy another bolt for this winch, and for now I think I will use this cable tie for the winch. I will tie the winch into this with this cable tie.
Bonjour.
This is a styron seat with this width is 3 mm. I use for the servo holder right here, and this is brake pads for my bike. Is used for my bike, and is have 2 holes right here. 1 hole I use for switch winch, and I will install this set like this. Okay. Now I try this composition with the battery on the top. Now close the engine hood. We test this winch. Pull. Okay. Let's test this winch on outside.